The political face-off in West Bengal and the police excesses being used against the protesters remains to be our top focus. My colleague Indrajit Kundu with his ground report.
Water cannon has been opened here at Howrah Bridge. We were expecting some amount of confrontation between the police force and the BJP. Look, okay. I think stone pelting has begun. We'll try and get into a safe distance because with stone pelting towards the police, water cannons have been opened. Oh God. Okay. So BJP workers agitated, angry, throwing stones at the police, and the police has opened a water cannon. So clearly, what we saw in some of the other protests that took place, we're seeing exactly the same here at Howrah Bridge. This is the Howrah Bridge. My camera person will show. We are on the Howrah Bridge, right at the entry. Massive police presence. Look at the attire of the police. They're in full riot uniform, and BJP workers here, they have been pushed back. But they are, be careful. But they are continuously pelting stones at the police, and now they are trying to break the barricades.
Indrajit Kundu is joining us live from Kolkata, getting us all the very latest on this massive political showdown that has broken out in Kolkata. Indrajit, for our viewers who have just tuned in, give them a sense of why this political face-off has even broken out in the first place on the alleged political killing of the leader Manish Shukla, over the murder of the BJP leader as well, and why and how these street protests have broken out.
Well, Chaiti, it was absolute chaos at the Howrah Bridge. Let me give you a sense of the location first. You can see behind me, this is Rabindra Setu, an iconic location here in Kolkata, right at the entry of this iconic Howrah Bridge. We can see Arvind Menon. We'll try and catch him if he's injured, and I'll try and get in a word. Chaiti, if you can just bear with me. Arvind ji, we will. एक सेकंड हम लोग लाइव है अरविंद जी जिस तरह का पुलिस का एक्शन था, क्या
जिस तरीके से पुलिस ने लाठीचार्ज किया, आंसू गैस के झोले छोड़े, पानी की बौछार मारा, निश्चित ही मुझे लगता है कि आने वाले समय में इसका भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता ईंट से ईंट बजा देंगे।
कहा गया था कि बिल्कुल नॉन वायलेंट प्रोटेस्ट होगा, जिस तरह से स्टोन पेल्टिंग हुआ, क्या लगता है इमोशन ज्यादा हो गया?
आपके सामने हम लोग शांति के साथ में आ रहे थे, है ना, शांति के साथ में मीडिया की तरफ, है ना।
ममता बनर्जी को क्या कहना चाहेंगे? वो तो आज है नहीं,
मैं उनको कुछ नहीं बोलना चाहता हूँ।
तो भाग गया है ना, ममता जी तो भाग गया है, पूरा भागा है इधर से।
Okay, so the visuals tell a story. You can see BJP leaders completely distraught. His kurta is torn. Possibly he fell down. He's out of breath. So a lot of BJP leaders, BJP workers here are slowly leaving the location. Continuously on the public address system, we are hearing the West Bengal police saying that this is an illegal gathering, that this gathering has been deemed illegal, and therefore they are being asked not to take law into their own hands. All establishments, shops, everything is closed in this area, and this area was barricaded. Massive deployment of police force, rapid action force of the Kolkata and Howrah police. We saw how BJP workers charged towards the barricade. They tried breaking out of it. It was about 20 minutes of absolute chaos between the BJP protesters and the police, and finally police came down, opening the barricade and charged towards the BJP workers. We will try and get to the other side if my camera person can come, and I will show you what is the scene on the other side. I'll show you what's lying out here. See, we can see a lot of water bottles, we can see stones out there, and the vehicle in which the BJP workers were sloganeering, it's empty. We'll try and see if there are any other BJP workers out here. If my camera person can come, there's still a holdout out here on the other side of the road, and I'll try and show you if my camera person can come and show on the other side of the road. Chaiti, it's pretty chaotic actually, this entire scene. And you can understand, running around wearing the mask is not an easy job out here today. And we are going through a pandemic. That should not
Yes,
be
have broken
forgotten.
out. BJP
So
has
this
taken to
entire
the
thing is
streets. TMC is retaliating. The police excesses are not being controlled by the West Bengal government. There's a massive political showdown that is taking place in West Bengal. And questions are now going to be asked to Mamata Banerjee on the law and order situation right there in West Bengal as well. On that note, we're slipping into a very short commercial break. Indrajit continues to stay with us, as does Manogia. Situation very, very chaotic. This remains to be our top focus. See you in just a bit for more.